Happy Sunday, or whatever day you may be watching this. Today is a very chill and relaxed type of day. I'll just be staying home all day, getting chores done, watering some plants, and I figured it would be the perfect day to vlog. It's been so long since I've vlogged and I really miss it. And so hopefully you guys enjoy spending the day with me. And if you do, make sure to like this video and comment below so I know that you guys enjoy these types of videos so I can continue to hopefully have the time to make more of these. I think that officially I will have more time because Marcus started working on the weekends. So that means I have more time to just be home and bring you guys along with me. So today has been a really good day so far. Marcus didn't work till noon, so we did wake up and watched online church, had breakfast. He made me iced coffee, best thing in the world. And I think, I got ready, nothing too crazy, and now I am gonna take you guys along with me. If you guys do like this video, don't forget to give it a like and a comment below. That way I know to make more of these. And yeah, let's go. Let's get started, because if not, I'm gonna spend the day trying to make this little intro. Because I've done it like 6 times now, so let's go. So typically what I do is I always take her out in here to water, and I hang her up here, so just everything that has to like go through and release, we'll just do it in here and not make a mess in the living room. And then I go ahead and start taking off all of like the not so cute leaves so I can just make sure that she stays healthy and pretty. Okay, so it's officially like 4 o'clock and I've gotten a lot done. I've watered all of the plants, I have tidied up a little bit, and I made myself some lunch. And I actually got to spend some time with Marcus. He came home for lunch, which was a great surprise. So I made him lunch and we just enjoyed our time together. So now I am about to go and clean my bedroom because it is, I think that's like the messiest like part of my house right now. The kitchen is pretty clean. I'll do some dishes later. I don't think we have much laundry to do, so I'm definitely gonna focus on my bedroom because let me tell you, when you are a girl and you have so many clothes and you try to pick an outfit, that's when your whole room goes to poop. So let me show you guys what I mean. Don't judge, sorry it's dark, but it is so bad in my bedroom right now. I did my bed earlier, but let me just show you guys. And I'm sorry about the gross lighting in here. Because it's raining, I have to turn on my light and it's like really yellow. All right, so being honest with you, this is what my room looks like currently. You know, sometimes you just have those days where it's just like a hot mess. And so all my clothes, you know, picking outfits, just go crazy. So right now it is my goal to put this room together. And while I do it, it's finally time to watch Sun Manifest, and I'm so excited because I haven't been able to watch it all day. a snack because I am kind of hungry, and also I deserve it because I finally cleaned that disgusting corner. So look at that. Obviously it would be nice to have a place to put all this stuff, but for now this is what it is, and it's all clean. All right, so I'm going to do, I think, some mango with tahini because I absolutely love any opportunity to use tahini on fruit, and we have sliced mango, so that's gonna be my snack for right now. So this is what I use. Tahini, best spice ever. It's like a Mexican spice, and I made my own, I don't even know what you would call this, but it's like a chamoy mixed with tahini, almost like, I don't know, seasoning for fruit, or honestly, you can use this for so much. And it looks weird, but I promise it's amazing. So I just put a little bit on of this. It's spicy and like lemony or limey, I guess. It's amazing. Mix it all up. And then I sprinkle some tahini. And this is what it looks like. It's a little bit weird for anyone who has never heard of it, but honestly, it's amazing. I highly recommend, if you've never tried tahini, to go to either, I mean, I definitely know Walmart has it here in Florida, but if not, a Mexican store or a restaurant kind of thing. Oops. Perfect. All right. Time to go back to cleaning. All right, here's the end result of literally a full day of cleaning. So here's everything, a nice clean bed, nothing on the ground as you saw before, and pretty much a clean little area. It's only the film and stuff that's on there. So I would say a job well done. Also, this is my outfit for the day. I didn't really get to that, but I got a cute little purple on purple action going on. I actually thrifted both of these pieces. This was like $2, and I think this was like $3, but very comfy and feeling cute. And of course, 30 minutes later, Florida is over here looking beautiful, like if it never rained. It's so confusing. All right, so I'm taking a quick break real quick to post on TikTok. Recently, I have been trying to post daily, and I have noticed that the best times to post for my account are 4 to 6-ish. So I don't know if you guys know this, but if you post on TikTok, you can tell how many people are online. When you click on the live option, it tells you how many people are currently active. So I've noticed that on my channel, the more I have been like checking on it, the most people that are on are always from 4 to 7 o'clock. So I try my best to post once a day, but it's definitely not something that I kill myself for. Like if there's a day or a week that goes by that I can't post because I'm busy and living my life, then there's definitely no stress about it. I've learned to prioritize my mental health over anything else, and like posting on social media is just so much fun for me, and I remind myself that that's the reason why I do it and nothing else. So if there's a week that goes by or a day that goes by where I can't post something, it's not the end of the world. My joy and my peace always come first. But needless to say, I don't know if you guys have seen my last video of when I first moved to Cape Coral, but my official job now is social media management or coordinator. So every single day I'm literally on social media and marketing for a company. And so at the beginning, it was definitely a lot harder to kind of prioritize Fromevelynsheart, because when I would get home, I would completely just be so exhausted and so tired of social media. So it was definitely a hard thing to balance and kind of adjust. But now, like a year later, everything is a lot easier and better. And it's funny because now the motivation that I have for From Evelyn's Heart is even greater because of the job that I have, because I'm learning so much, and I'm learning so much about balancing time and kind of like creating a schedule that works for my everyday without me obsessing or prioritizing social media, you know? Having the balance of like knowing when I'm creating, knowing when I'm posting, and not letting it become like up here, you know? So I don't know if that really makes sense, but thankfully now I'm way more motivated and it's so much fun to create that I've balanced it all out. And so I do try my best to post once a day for TikTok, once a day for Instagram, Monday through Friday. And then YouTube is kind of the part that it's been harder for me because it does take a lot more time to edit and to create videos. So for now, my goal for YouTube is once a month, and hopefully if I have more time, I'll definitely try to increase that. I don't have one of those like, okay, I posted once a month, so no more. Like, I definitely don't do that. If I have time, I will definitely post more on YouTube. So that's my little social media schedule. And yeah, so let me go ahead and post this TikTok, and then I'll get back to cleaning. Alright, it's cookie time. Look at them. Very long day, got a lot done as you guys saw. A lot of cleaning, a lot of organizing, but I'm so happy that I got all of it done, and now I can have a really great start to the week with a very clean house, and I absolutely love that. Marcus did get home around 7 o'clock, and we hung out, had dinner, and had cookies for dessert, and now we're both just chilling. He is playing some Fortnite. I'm gonna watch some Manifest and then go to bed because I have to be up for work very early. So hope you guys enjoyed hanging out on this vlog. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and please subscribe because I will be making more of these and hopefully posting at least once a month. So I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.